Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to send automated SMS notifications to students on successful course enrollment in Spayee. So Spayee is an online course and learning management platform and 𝗏𝗏𝗍 is a SMS sending software. So imagine this, you have enrolled a learner to your max algebra class in Spayee. So the idea is that the same learner will be getting an SMS from me. And this SMS will contain the joining link of the course and rest of the details of the course. But the issue here is there is no active connection between Spayee and 𝗏𝗏𝗍. So in cases like these, we have to bring an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that will integrate Spayee and 𝗏𝗏𝗍. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is a person without any technical background can perform this little integration easily. Now before I show you the steps, how about we begin with a real-time example?
Okay, so this is my Spayee account. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to enroll a person in this particular course called as Max Algebra. So the idea is that once the person is enrolled in this particular course or any course, the person will be receiving a confirmation message as an SMS. And this SMS will contain the link of the course that he has to join. So let us perform the experiment. So we have this course. So I'm just going to enroll a person. Okay. The name of the person is Elon Musk. So this is the email address of Elon Musk. Okay. So we are going to enroll Elon Musk. Let me just click on confirm and Elon Musk has been added to this particular course. So as you can see, let me just show you the SMS that Elon Musk has received. Okay, so this is the SMS that Elon Musk has received. Hello Elon Musk, you have been enrolled as a student in Max Algebra 101. Please join the course using this link. And Elon Musk is just going to click on this link and he will be directed to the course, that is Max Algebra 101. So you must be thinking, how did I do it? How did I manage to send the data from Spayee to SMS sending apps like 𝗏𝗏𝗍𝗏? So basically here we have used an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that has integrated Spayee as well as SMS sending app like 𝗏𝗏𝗍𝗏. Now before I show you the steps, how about I show you a small perspective how this integration is going to work.
Okay, so these are the steps we have to follow. Now in the first step, you're going to integrate Spayee to Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. Simply, you're just going to copy the webhook URL from Pabbly Connect and paste it into Spayee. Now in the second step, you are going to collect the data of the course enrollment from Spayee in Pabbly Connect. Now using the same data in the third step, you are going to compose a SMS and send it via 𝗏𝗏𝗍𝗏. The important purpose of creating this workflow is all you have to do is just sit back and relax when this workflow is created. Because whenever a new enrollment happened in Spayee, automatically the person who has been enrolled will be getting an SMS via 𝗏𝗏𝗍𝗏.
Okay, so to begin the process, in the new tab, just type pabbly.com, 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 press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. All you have to do is just click on sign up for free. Here you can build your own account in just 2 minutes. In my case, I have already built an account. So when I click here, I will be directed to the app section of Pabbly. So this is the app section of Pabbly. Let me just scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. So I'm planning to give it as Spayee to, let me just correct the casing, Spayee to 𝗏𝗏𝗍𝗏𝗏. Now remember this, we are using 𝗏𝗏𝗍𝗏𝗏 to send the SMS. Of course, you can use any other software and the process will be same. You can actually use D7 network or SMS Horizon. Okay, so the name is Spayee to 𝗏𝗏𝗍𝗏𝗏. Let me just straight away click on create. So when you click on create, you will find 2 windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. Now we want to send the data from Spayee. Okay, so Spayee it is. Spayee, this one. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new enrollment, this one. So these are the steps so that we basically have to follow to integrate Spayee to Pabbly Connect. Now before I begin the integration, how about I just deal with the courses as well as the learner. So we have a ton of courses. Let's go with this one, quantum physics. Now I actually plan to create a new user, okay, a new learner. So let me just click on new. So the name of the guy is Tony Stark. Okay, Tony Stark. So he wants to enroll in quantum physics because his grasp of quantum physics is very bad. Okay, and to defeat Thanos, he must learn quantum physics. That is why. Okay, so this is the email address, and this is the cell number of Tony Stark, the mobile number, and this is the password that he's going with. Okay, a bunch of random numbers and characters, and this is the role, that is he's a student. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on submit, and as you can see, Tony Stark has been added as a student. Now what we're going to do here is we are going to enroll Tony Stark to a particular course. So let me just go to courses, and as I mentioned, I will be enrolling Tony Stark to this particular course, that is quantum physics. So let me just enroll Tony Stark to quantum physics. So let me just click on learners. Okay, and let me just click on enroll. So we are going to enroll by name. So we have Tony Stark and we have enrolled Tony Stark. Okay, so we are going with the custom one, and let me just straight away click on confirm. Okay, so the Tony Stark has been enrolled. So what's next? So what I'm going to do here is once the enrollment has been done, I actually needed the data of this enrollment in Pabbly Connect. So this is our dummy data. Now what we are going to do here is at this point, Spayee and Pabbly Connect is not integrated. So we are going to integrate first Spayee as well as Pabbly Connect, and then we are going to send the data of enrollment to Pabbly Connect, which technically will be automatically captured. So let me just go to Pabbly Connect. So these are the steps we have to follow. First of all, log into Spayee account. That's obvious, and we have done it already. Then we have to go to integrations and third party. Okay, so where is integrations and third party? Okay, so let me just go to back to courses. Okay, so here you will find integrations. Okay, and here you will find third party. So in the third party you have to go to Pabbly. Okay, so we have to go to Pabbly. So let me just go to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so as you can see, I already have ticked on new enrollment. Okay, so let me just remove this. Okay, just imagine that this is totally fresh. So tick the new enrollment, tick the event as new enrollment. Okay, so I'm just going to tick this as new enrollment. Now the reason I have unticked it is I just want to give you a perspective. Okay, in my case this was already ticked. Okay, because we already know there was an integration, otherwise we wouldn't have received the SMS. Okay, so that is why I have checked in new enrollment. Now we have to enter the webhook URL. Now as you can see, I have already entered a webhook URL. I'm just going to delete this. Okay, in your case you have to actually paste the webhook URL. You don't have to delete or anything. Okay, because you are going to paste it for the first time. So let me just click here, and let me just click on save. So it is already showing the webhook has been triggered successfully. So let me just go to Pabbly Connect, and as you can see, we have the details of Tony Stark, because Tony Stark is the recently enrolled student in a course called as quantum physics. We have the name, that is Tony Stark. This is the email address, tonystark78@gmail.com. This is the cell number where we'll be sending the SMS. Of course, we have the course name as quantum physics, and this is the link that we will be giving to Tony Stark so that he can join the course. Okay, so now what we're going to do here is we have got the details of Tony Stark, the person who has enrolled. So now we are going to send him an SMS, and this can be done by Twilio. Now remember, this Twilio is an SMS sending app that we are using. You can of course use other SMS sending apps like D7 Networks or SMS Horizon. So in the action event, how about we just make it a send SMS message? Just simply click on connect. Okay, so we are going with a new connection. Here we have to add the account SID, authorization token, and once again the account SID. So let me just go to Twilio, and let me just click on settings. Okay, so because we want to get the account SID and authorization token. So let us have a look at the settings page in a matter of minutes. Okay, we have to actually authenticate it. I'm just trying to enter my password with which I have logged into my Twilio account. Of course, I'm not going to tell you the password. Okay, and verify. Okay, so as you can see in the API credentials, we have two sections, live credentials and test credentials. We are going with the live credentials. So this is the account SID. I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. Once again, I'm just going to paste the account SID. Then I'm going to enter the authorization token. So let me just remove the privacy and I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Okay, so we have entered the account SID, authorization token, and once again entered the account SID. Just click on save. So when you click on save, you have three fields: the body of the SMS, sender number, and the recipient number. So let's start with the easy one, the recipient number. So this is the recipient number, basically the cell number of Tony Stark. So I'm just going to click here, and we have mapped it. Easy. Now this number is not complete because, as you can see, 𝗏𝙗𝗍 demands a particular format that you should always enter the country code. Now we already have entered 91. Now this cell number belongs to India, so plus 91 is the country code. That is why I have entered plus. Now the sender number, so this is the sender number that 𝗏𝙗𝗍 has provided me. I'm sorry, let me just go to the phone numbers. And let me just show you the phone number that 𝗏𝙗𝗍 has provided me. So this is the cell number. I'm just going to copy this. After that, I'm going to paste it here. Okay. Now we have to frame the body of the SMS. The body of the SMS would be something like, hello Tony Stark, thank you for joining. Hello. Then we have the name, Tony Stark. Thank you for enrolling to, let me just add quantum physics course. Please join the classes using this link. And here I'm just going to add the link. Okay, so this is the course link. Hello Tony Stark, thank you for enrolling to quantum physics course. Let me enter a space. Please join the classes using this link. So at this point, all you have to do is just click on save and send test request to send this message to Tony Stark. So the response is a positive one, and this is the message. Okay, let me just show you the screenshot of the message. So this is the message that Tony Stark has received. So Tony Stark is just going to click on this link and he's just going to start the classes. So the presence of this SMS shows that we have a successful integration between Spayee as well as 𝗏𝙗𝗍. So now what we are going to do here is, before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. First, you integrated Spayee to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to 𝗏𝙗𝗍. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Spayee as well as 𝗏𝙗𝗍. Awesome. So not just these two apps, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, please contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect as well as the workflow is available in the description box. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.